If you've ever shared a Telegram link and thought, wow, that looks way too long and messy, you're not alone. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the best ways to shorten any Telegram link, whether it's your profile, group, channel, or even a message, so that sharing is much cleaner, easier, and more professional. By the end of this video, you'll not only have shorter, better-looking links, but you'll also know how to make them more memorable and trackable too. Let's dive right in. The first and most reliable method is to use Telegram's own official short links, usually with the TME website. Telegram has thoughtfully provided this built-in shortener, so there's absolutely no need to juggle long, confusing URLs. For example, if you want to share your profile or your public group, just use t.me/your username. If you haven't set a username on Telegram yet, that's totally fine. Just open your Telegram app, go to Settings, and tap on Username. Here you can choose something unique, and once you've set it, your link is instantly ready. You can now confidently share t.me/your username anywhere, whether it's in your Instagram bio, your email signature, or a group chat. It's neat, it's short, and it's universally recognized by Telegram users, but you're not limited to just TME. There are alternative formats like username TME and even Telegram dog username. These all do exactly the same thing as the standard link. So if TME ever gets blocked in your region, or if you just prefer a different look, you've got options. They're interchangeable, so pick whichever fits your needs or style. Now, for some folks, you might not have set up a username yet, or maybe your account is tied more closely to your phone. In those cases, Telegram lets you share using your phone number in an international format, like TME +12345678890. Make sure to use the plus sign and include your country code so it works correctly. It's a solid fallback if you're not ready to pick a username. But what if you need something even shorter, or you want to track how many people are clicking your link? This is where third-party URL shorteners come in handy. Let's start with tinyURL. This one is fantastic if you just want something quick and simple. Go to their website, paste your Telegram link, and get a super short URL back. No sign-up required, no fuss. Want a bit more power? Bitly is a classic choice, especially if you're using Telegram for business or communities. Bitly not only shortens your link, but provides detailed tracking analytics. You can actually see how many people are clicking and from where. Plus, you can generate a QR code in just a click, which is perfect for sharing on printed materials or social media. If you own a website and want a truly custom touch, check out Shorten. You can use your own domain for free, so your links could look like your brand, com/tg or anything you like. And for those who want modern features and generous free plans, Dubco is a newer service that offers branded links and powerful analytics, all with a few clicks. It's great for creators and marketers who want to level up their sharing game. Lastly, if you're just looking to make your Telegram messages look cleaner, maybe you want the link to say join here instead of displaying the full URL, you can actually mask your link with text. Here's how: on both desktop and mobile, type the text you want to show, something like click here, then highlight it and right-click or tap those three little dots to open the formatting menu. From here, choose Create Link or Add Link and paste in your Telegram URL. This way the message looks tidy and your audience just clicks the nice text without seeing a messy link. If you're more technical or you like keyboard shortcuts, you can use Markdown formatting. Just type it like this, click here, and Telegram turns that instantly into a clickable link. And that's it. Whether you want the official Telegram short link, extra analytics, or just a more polished message, you've got plenty of options for shortening Telegram links. If this helped you tidy up your links, give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other tips to share. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more handy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.